Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In today's video, we'll look at how we can copy files or how we can transfer files from a Kali Linux machine to a Windows PC machine securely using SSH or SCP protocol. And we'll be using a client tool called WinSCP on the Windows PC device. So let's begin by making sure that SSH is enabled on the Kali Linux device. I'm on the Kali Linux and I'm going to open the terminal. So I'm on the terminal and I'll do system ctl status SSH, and we see that it's inactive. So we need to start the services here. You can do system ctl start SSH, and it's asking for password. And let's repeat this command. And now we see that it's active and running. So SSH is running. The other thing we need is the IP address on this Kali Linux device. The IP address will need to input it on the WinSCP client on the Windows PC device. So to check the IP, we'll do IP address. And we see the IP is 172.16.1.101. Now we'll go to the Windows PC device and open a browser. And we'll need to download WinSCP. We'll go to the site that takes us to winscp.net, and let's look for the download link. It's right here, and let's see if it's downloading. And yes, it did download and it's done. You can minimize this, and let's open the file explorer. Let's go to downloads, and this is the file, so we'll need to install it. So just double click on it to install it. Install for all users, yes, and accept. We'll do the typical installation. Next, install, and we'll finish. We can minimize this. We'll open the tool, desktop WinSCP. Now, as you can see here, it requires the host name, and then the port we're using is 22 for SSH. You'll need the username. That's for the Kali Linux machine, as well as the password. Now, for the file protocols, you have SFTP, which is a secure FTP. Then you also have SCP. So we'll go with this default here. We'll put the IP, which was 172.16.1.101. The next thing we need here is the username, which is Kali, and then the password. Now that we have that information input, you can save this connection, or you can just click here, login, accept. And now we have a window which has two split windows in it. It's showing us the folders on the Windows PC device on one side, the left side, and then on the right side we see the directories on the Kali Linux machine. Now we can navigate to the directories. Just click on it and it will take you to the directory and show you the files. For instance, we're on the desktop directory. If I went to the Kali Linux machine and let me do this. Let's change directory to the desktop here. And as you can see, this is the only file we have, and that's what's showing here. Now, as far as transferring files or copying files, you just select the file and you drag and drop it. So I can select this, drag and drop it here. And if I come back here and repeat the ls command, we have the file. And you can do the same thing in the other direction. Just select the file and then drag and drop it from the Kali Linux machine to the Windows PC. So if we go, let's say, to documents here, there's nothing. Downloads, it's quite a few. So let me select this and I can grab and drop it here to copy it to the Windows PC. And if I came here, And if I come here and go to desktop, I should see that this is the file we just copied from the Kali Linux to the Windows PC. And that's all for this video. That's how you can copy or transfer files between a Kali Linux machine and a Windows PC using SSH. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.